Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account after reaching a weekly limit. For example, if you want to get rid of the Instagram account for a specific time, and if you have already deactivated before and reactivate it again, because Instagram only allows you to deactivate your Instagram account only once in a week. Now you have reached the weekly limit. Now you want to deactivate your Instagram account. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have simply open the Instagram app and you have simply click on three lines here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of account center here. So here you have to simply click on personal details, and after that you have to simply click on account ownership and control. And the first one is memorization and second one is deactivation or deletion. So you have simply click on that. So you have simply select the account you want to deactivate, and after that here is written, if you want to take a break from the Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate this account. If you want to permanently delete, you let us know. You can only deactivate your account once in a week. So as you can see, if you have already deactivated your account, it will not allow you to reactivate your account again. But there is also a trick that can work for you, so that you can simply deactivate your Instagram account again. So there is option that you can simply delete your account permanently. So if you delete your account permanently, there is option available that within 30 days you can simply log in back your account. So after that you will be able to reactivate your account again. But if you deactivate it, you will not be allowed to deactivate again within a week. But if you choose delete your account, you will be able to delete or deactivate your account within a week. So that is the trick you can simply use while deactivating your account after reaching a weekly limit of once in a week. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.